Hi guys, I'm Phil, the shop owner of foxtechfpv.com, and today I'm going to show you another RF noise comparison between GoPro and Horizon HD. Since many people reported the RF noise, especially the UHF noise from the Horizon HD, so we are doing an improvement to block the RF noise. And here we have the RMC RD4047P UHF receiver here. I put my transmitter in the house, so we are already at the maximum range now. You can see the signal reception LED is flashing, but it's in a breaking way. Here is a servo showing the servo test mode. Okay, here we got a GoPro, and we will place GoPro as close as to the receiver and see how close we can get before the signal lost. Okay, let's try. Turn it on. See the light. See? Okay, it's around 5 centimeter before the signal get lost. Okay. 3 to 5 centimeter, still the same result. Okay, turn it off. And here we get the Horizon HD. The ribbon wire and the cam module is fully shielded by the shield cloth. And please remember, this is only a test cam, and we will make a fully shielded ribbon cable and also some shielding method for the sensor module. Okay, let's try. The cam is working now, and I'll try to put it as close as to the receiver and see how near we can get. Okay, around 5 centimeter. Let's see if we can get closer. Okay, you see around at around 2 to 3 centimeters, we still get some signal. So the test result shows similar or even better RF noise than GoPro, and I think our method is working now, and I hope this method will benefit all the UHF users, and we will send improved ribbon wire soon. Okay, let's check the fully shield ribbon wire, also the sensor module. Okay, this is our comparison test between Horizon HD and GoPro. Thanks for watching. Bye.